Lower away, easy now.
We have contact on the starboard side.
Keep it steady, almost there. All right, initiating the cut. Stand by for the flash. Holding steady, power looks good from here.
We have critical failure in Sector Gamma. Repeat, critical failure.
We must stabilize the keel structure immediately, or we lose her.
All right, easy now. Keep her steady. We're showing maximum tension on lines 3 and 4.
Copy that. Increasing power by 5%. Hold steady, hold steady.
Thousands of gallons of water drain away, revealing the barnacle-covered hull of the Yamato, a relic of a bygone era.
Look at the pitting here, near the water line. It's worse than expected.
Yes, the sonar reports align with this corrosion. We need...
Easy, easy. Hold it right there.
Slowly down.
All right, set the plate.
Hold steady on the line.
Bring it down 50 centimeters.
We need more torque on the turret bolts.
Easy left.
Bring it down slow. Hold the line steady.
The turbine housing looks good, but the piston assembly is showing excessive vibration.
Agreed. We need to recalibrate the dampeners on the main shaft.
We should be crossing this point within the hour.
The sextant confirms our position against the sunset.
Very good. Maintain course and speed.
Power levels are climbing steadily. Stand by for synchronization.
We are clear on the forward mount.
Roger. Rotation looks steady. Keep it coming down slow.
Pressure stable at 500 bar.
Acknowledged. Continue ascent to deck 7, slow and steady. We have sparks on level 4.
The gray paint is perfect. No flaws detected.
Confirmed. The markings are sharp and precise.
Main engine engaged. Bearing pressure nominal.
Affirmative. Temperature stabilizing at green line.
Switching auxiliary power now. Pressure steady. Begin elevation.
Acknowledged. Moving to 40 degrees.
Calibration successful. Hydraulics secured.
Cascade sequence running smooth on A deck. Looking good from here.
Copy that. Moving to B deck.
Detail, attention! Carry the flags. Aye, sir.
Forward march. Maintain the line.
Sir, acknowledged.
Pressure stable at 2,000.
Relief valves engaging. Flow rate is optimal.
Roger that. Logging the results now.
K7RA calling CQ, conducting radio check. Do you copy? We read you, K7RA. The signal is clear but fading.
Commander, verify the calibration on that coupling.
Confirmed, Captain.
Last service this morning.
Target tracking, elevation 45 degrees.
45 degrees, tracking.
Clear right side.
The polish on this chrome is remarkable. We finally got the articulation on the main lamp finalized.
All engines, stop!
Hold position, steady as she goes.
Take the forward spring line, now!
Bridge, confirm all stations report ready.
Engineering reports ready.
Helm, steer 045. We have clearance. Bridge, confirm all stations report ready.
Engineering reports ready.
Helm, steer 045. We have clearance.
Bridge, engine room reports ready for maneuvering.
Acknowledged. All lines, prepare to cast off the tugs.
Pressure levels are spiking in Sector 4. We need to reroute the coolant now.
Roger that. Initiating emergency purge sequence.
Heave! Let go of the spring line!
Spring line away, sir!
Bridge, set course 090. Engine room, slow ahead together.
Course set, 090. Hey, Captain?
Engines responding, slow ahead. We are making headway. All stations, continue the synchronized pull.
Affirmative, Captain. The battleship is responding well. Speed registering at 27 knots and increasing. Engine output stable.
You're really going for seconds already.
It's that good, my friend. You should try some before it's gone.
Don't mind if I do.
This is the best pork we've had in weeks.
You always say that when you're hungry.
Well, it's true this time. Pass the vegetables.
And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Switch. High knees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heave! Steady now. Secure the forward line. Attention to orders.
This right here is the ship's wheel, which steers the entire vessel.
How fast can it go?
That depends on the engine order telegraph just here.
Welcome everyone. The museum is now open. Please have your tickets ready and proceed orderly up the main gangway.
The volumetric beams really highlight the scale. Now, if you look at the schematics projected here, you'll see how the turbine connects to the main shaft. This is the heart of the operation. Once the 500-pound shell was hoisted up, it was rammed directly into the breach.
We believe this letter was the last one he sent before the mission. It really highlights the sacrifices these men made.
Trying a long exposure for the light trails.
The silhouette is perfect right now.
These 15-inch guns could fire a shell over 20 miles. The hydraulics alone weighed nearly 50 tons.
Trying a long exposure for the light trails.
The silhouette is perfect right now.
Who is this in the photograph, sir?
These were my friends. We were so young. I still remember the day the Yamato was hit.
We're looking at millions of measurement points per second here, generating the 3D model in real time.
We need to ensure the uniforms for the virtual crew are accurate to the 1940s. And the weathering on the main guns seems too heavy.
This artifact collection really brings the history to life for the students.
Yes, they can actually touch the past.
Exactly, connecting the macro history with these micro details.
We utilized a cold spray process for the cladding on the turret.
And these documents outline the technical specifications of the restoration in full detail.
Team B, confirm coating application on Section 4. Team C, status check on the fantail lighting.
All right, team, confirm Section 4 is live on Channel 3. Roger that, Supervisor. Section 4 is green and glowing.
We honor the past sacrifices and reaffirm our commitment to preserving this legacy for future generations.
All hands, secure the forward hatches now. Bridge, confirm mooring lines are deployed and taut. We are taking on spray.
Ensure all impact points are photographed. Mark this section clear on the manifest and proceed to the engine vents.
The youth engagement metrics look promising, especially with the new digital tools.
Yes, and these climate strategies are crucial for long-term preservation.
We ensure every detail matches the original schematics, preserving history one component at a time.
Look closely here. This photograph captures the scale. We shape the metal plates by hand, like this.
Hold the chisel steady against the grain, like this, to ensure a clean cut.
Yes, understood.
Good. Now try the next plank, carefully.
By utilizing these advanced photogrammetry methods, we can accurately model the degradation and plan for long.
The historical photos overlay well here.
We still have some drift with the gun crew animation.
Agreed. Let's optimize the loading sequence timing for the audio sync.
Character A, ensure the sensor is flush with the bulkhead. The humidity reading here is critical.
This is where your great-grandfather stood. He was so proud to serve here.
And if you look closely, you can see how they live day to day.
Central, this is Patrol 1. Hatches secured on level 2. Humidity reading stable.
From spring cleaning to winterizing, the preservation of this vessel is a year-round commitment, ensuring it stands against the elements.
We're doing sensor pods.
How do we balance modernization with historical accuracy in the restoration process? That requires...
Today we commit to preserving this monument, ensuring its legacy for the next 100 years.
We have a confirmed visualization on Grid Sector 4, preparing for the next sweep.
The holographic gun turret allows visitors to examine the internal mechanisms and witness a 1940s crew demonstration.
How do we document this section?
We use the caliper first, then record the measurement here.
That engine vibration is spot on.
Moving to the bridge now. Let's get that radio chatter clear.
Bridge, control, steady course.
The engine rumble is spot on.
Stand by for depth charge release. Over.
Check the acoustic sensors in Section 3.
Okay, bring it around the superstructure, hold that curve, beautiful. Now drift left, slowly, and cut.
The key here is the heat-affected zone on this high-tensile steel. We need to maintain the structural integrity.
Look at the growth pattern here. It's significant.
Roger that. I'm taking the scraping now. The grid confirms the measurement.
Through these screens, we bridge time and distance. This gray steel around me once sailed the Pacific.
Command, this is deck lead.
We need those hatch seals expedited immediately.
Over.
It's live. Look at the counter.
Incredible. We're already seeing global support. This is wonderful news for the project.
Sailors use these very stars, particularly this bright one here, to navigate the open ocean for centuries before modern GPS.
A historic day for the preservation mission. Congratulations.
Thank you.
This ensures the ship's protection regardless of economic conditions.